Wabusuafo no na Kwame bedi ako Cheddar over the weekend mobekaya ni photo bi a trendy o social media no so with Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC ho update wa ha nsema odi to dwa no yenya bi ye de brew e wo fie ha Samuel Boadu was signed for Ghana Premier League side as Samuel Boadu say we back into the Ghana Premier League o enya sem ketwa kra Samuel na wogina ho a ye unveiling as the coach for Ghana Premier League side we sikani pa eni gina na nchen no Samuel Boadu na sese no other screen no so say Samuel Boadu ebe face ni former club Accra so folk ho asem e wa ha ye de bro e wo fie ha e team ben na Samuel Boadu sign ma no Berekum Chelsea yes no was so Berekum Chelsea but Berekum sikana na mo pe no Sikana na Samuel demanded no bechem entimi meti and as I skani our that screen is or very popular in the football circles was signed Samuel Boadu from Berekum Chelsea nana Kwame bedi akon ho asem no e wa ha me dey bro e wo Super 24 TV no so be pa cho unsubscribe ya wadaroma na wa hit the rest subscribe button na wa badoma no so na ya build it together na ya movie on for social media no so Facebook Super 24 TV, Instagram Kumasi Blogman na yindika so bom Twitter no Blogman 24 na Kwame bedi akon last weekend no oba menhia na oba menhia no nsem we menya no West na West we source no ka kire me say empanyifo e ka kire ne say no Kotoko state a ye wo mu nie na the West directly to empanyifo ne say I have to come and help Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The words are okay no. Now on to other news. No Berekum Chelsea 8 minutes ago and almost confirmed the appointment of Samuel Boadu. We officially announced the appointment of Samuel Boadu as the new gaffer of the club. Coach Boadu brings on board his rich experience and expertise. And now thanks. And omo hashtag no Bribis Ghana Premier League and omo post here 8 minutes ago nature say Mframakra Mfa so just before say omo official confirmation no Samuel Boadu eba on board as one of the league winners or Premier League a ye boy mu oni ogum nyina omo awini bida na omo ombele no nana dwantoa yes nana dwantoa owo sika say say Berekum Chelsea no omo position in the league no omo da seas o enti ba bi omo da ne ye omo ye wada omo nso ebe the competition of Asante Kotoko aduana Nations FC Samates no mu nyina April League no so currently as it stands no Kumasi Asante Kotoko da second with Samates at the first 19 games 35 points no Kotoko da second with 32 points and on it there